Hello, all participants. My name is Nikhil Disoria. My study is titled Documenting Bird Biodiversity in the Shivdi Mahul Bay, Mumbai. Mahul Shivdi Bay, along with its neighboring mudflats of Trombay and Shivajinagar, have been designated as an important bird area. The current study tried to document these birds in the current era of pollution and human population explosion, which is putting a pressure on the existence of birds in this area. In this study, we aim to document the avifauna in Shivdi Mahul Bay and create a quantified and stratified document of avifauna. Another objective was to create educational and outreach material to disseminate and host awareness events like trails and lectures to excite general public. We employed sampling technique called point count method, where we document data from a point which is employed for locating and counting the birds. During surveys, each of the 6 survey locations had a lead birder with substantial knowledge of the current species, subspecific splits, and who could be relied upon for accurately identifying all the waders and terrestrial birds found during the surveys. Each lead birder was accompanied by one or more photo documenter who could, using a semi-pro or DSLR camera, take photos and videos of as many species as possible. The entire survey of 10 days was split into 3 parts. Survey 1, which was from Feb 27 to March 3 of 2006, was a 4 days long. Survey 2, from March 31st to April 5th of 2016, was 3 days long. And Survey 3, from May 11 to May 14th, 2016, was also 3 days long. At an average, each area of 6 sampling points identified was surveyed for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours during the daylight period, so as to get maximum visibility of all the diurnal bird species. The 6 sampling points were Shivdi Jetty, Mahul Jetty, Shivdi Mahul Bay, Sea Woods, Shivaji Nagar, and T.S. Raman. This is the map of the survey area. A total of 147 bird species belonging to 41 families were cited during the surveys. They were distributed as follows: 34% waders, 25% wetland associate birds, and 41% woodland birds. From the 147 species, several birds with varied levels of global threats as per the IUCN status were as follows: 9 species near threatened, which were painted stork, black-headed ibis, pallid harrier, black-tailed and bar-tailed godwit, curlew sandpiper, Eurasian curlew, lesser flamingo, and Alexandrian parakeet. 3 were vulnerable, which were greater spotted eagle, Indian spotted eagle, and woolly necked stork. 1 was endangered, which is great knot, and the remaining 132 species are considered least concern as per IUCN. You can see the 41 families of birds located in Shivdi Mahul Bay, which are distributed as 34% waders, 25% wetland associate birds, and 41% woodland birds. Given the high numbers and species diversity of birds in the entire Mahul Shivdi Bay, a few locations could be developed in the region such that nature education programs can be facilitated. Suitable literature about the landscape and the bird viewing bays will be beneficial to encourage local amateur bird watchers. There is a great potential to encourage planned and long-term bird study as well as nature-based tourism along this entire bay with the involvement of the Maharashtra Forest Department's mangrove cell. The taifa and reed beds at Shivajinagar were identified as important bird areas for rare and shy species such as snipes, rails, and craigs. A serious attempt should be made to restore, repair, and recreate freshwater pools. Roosting ponds can be created in suitable locations along the coast, and plantation of large canopy trees on mounds or in backwater areas may be an ideal restoration and habitat improvement exercise from an avifauna perspective. Thank you.